So I decided I was going to start doing some videos of our different sunsets we have from our place. And I tell you what, some of these here lately have been just really pretty. So I just wanted to put them on our channel and share them with people. I know maybe eventually it'll get boring to some of you, but there's times we have some really awesome sunsets here. You can actually see a jet going through part of this. It's just so cool to have sunsets like this and not even have to leave your yard. So I hope everybody gets a kick out of the sunset videos that I'm going to start doing from time to time. They're just really pretty, but want to reach out to my subscribers and thank all of you for watching our videos, and be sure to share our videos with your friends and family, and anyone that comes across this video, I hope you enjoy it, and reach out to your friends also, and some of you subscribe. If you don't subscribe, please give us a thumbs up and share these. So anyway, this is Missouri Sunsets from Missouri Clark Life. And it's just awesome. I never get tired of our sunsets, for sure. That is so pretty. Oh, got to mention one more thing. Hissy cat. What do you think, Hissy? What do you think, Hissy cat? You like sunsets too? Good girl, Hissy. Yeah, even Hissy likes our sunsets. You're telling everybody, aren't you, Hissy? Yeah, she's saying everybody enjoy that sunset. Good girl, Hissy. Yeah, that's awesome. So anyway, I hope everyone has a awesome Christmas, a happy New Year, and please enjoy our sunsets. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.